Let's ride. See you later. All right, let's go. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's walk and talk. We're here in Manila, not far from, oh, we just left the Jollibee. Welcome back to the immigration office. That's the head office of Bureau of Immigration here in Manila, Metro Manila. Alrighty, so here we are. Early morning, not too early. Been up for a while now, but have to head over to the immigration office. And somebody forgot their brush. Okay, come. Alright, we have to head out. Come, baby. Let's go. Where's my suitcase? No, I don't need it, my love. Oh, man. Hey. Alright, let's go. No, it's really high. Okay, I'm gonna take a grab. Up to, I think about a 20-minute ride. Hello. Alright, good morning. Wait, press the button. Good boy. We're on the 53rd floor.
Daddy.
Here we are. Mommy's in charge for today. Let's see.
There's no mirror in here.
No. They got cheap.
Oh my god.
They got cheap today. Let's go outside in Manila. First time for Goxplore in Manila. How's that, Leo? Say good morning.
Daddy, look.
Yeah, 31, 30. It's going down. See the arrow down. It's going downtown to Manila. No. Don't press. It's okay.
Let's go. That one? Yeah? Wait, Leo. This one?
Hi, buntag. Good morning. How are you?
It's like
Work on me?
Yes. Immigration officer. Alright, in an Uber now.
what?
No, that's what they sometimes say, like 5, 6, 10, 20 clips, video clips of.
I can get that.
See you later. All right, let's go. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's walk. Let's walk and talk. We're here in Manila, not far from. Oh, we just left the Jollibee. Walking back to the immigration office. That's the head office of Bureau of Immigration here in Manila, Metro Manila. Yeah. If you're a foreigner and you are here in the Philippines, and you want to extend your visas past 2 months, of course they have 1 month, 2 months, and 6 months visa extensions, and that's for tourist visas, right? So for 6 months, you have to come to the head office in Manila. No exceptions. Okay, my love. So we flew here, and I made a mistake. Well, I did not ask the right question. How's that? Via email. It changed about 4 or 5 emails with the head office some weeks ago. And yeah, thank you for a meal. But I guess I did not ask the right question. So I came here this morning and oh my boy. It's okay. Your shoes can get wet, no problem, baby. That's what they're made for. They're shoes to be worn and walked on the beach, on wherever, okay? No problem. Yeah, very nice. Nice. Nice to be here by the river. So bottom line is, if you want to extend your visa, you gotta for 6 months at the head office only in the Philippines. You have to come here before 10 days. You gotta have at least 10 days before your current visa expires. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's the river from Pasig.
The most dirtiest river.
Oh, it is very. Yeah, it's not very clean. That's for sure. Let's see.
Oh my God.
Yeah, see?
Is there a fish here?
Oh, there are fish, I'm sure. Are they healthy fish? I don't know.
They might get sick. China and
Probably,
Bridge
yeah.
Project.
Yeah,
Binondo.
yeah, Chinese made.
Bridge.
Okay. All right, let's go. Well, you know what? We still have some time. What time is it now? Hold on. We can stay here, I guess. Nah, we still have another hour or so. 1 more hour. She said an hour and a half. And we just took only an hour or half an hour to eat breakfast at Jollibee. Yeah, let's go. Let's walk. So again, bottom line, if you want to extend your visa for 6 months here in the Philippines, the head office here in Manila is the only place you can do it at. The head office, Bureau of Immigration, and you have to have at least 10 days left on your current visa before you can apply for a 6-month extension. The lady said preferably come 2 to 3 weeks before and apply for it. You will pay for it, but she said there's no guarantee that it will get approved because apparently it's got to be approved by the commissioner, whoever that is. I don't know. So, needless to say, I probably will not be doing a 6-month extension anytime soon. Got 2 months here. Could have done it in Bacolod City, but no big deal. I'll have a little vacation here. We'll go to BGC, Bonifacio Global City, or later on today, after we get the visas and our new ACR cards. So now we just enjoy.
Oh my goodness. What is this?
It's a crack. Be careful, though.
Baby.
Oh, come on. They're just kidding. Yeah, not a very clean river for sure. But it's...
Oh my goodness, this river is very dirty.
Yeah, a Filipina said it, not me.
Yeah, I know. That's why they make a song for that.
Really?
Yeah.
Sing it.
I don't know how.
The bridge, China Aid Bridge Project, Binondo Intramuros Bridge. Binondo Intramuros Bridge.
Yeah. So this is Binondo.
Binondo.
Binondo?
This is it.
Yeah.
This is Binondo Intramuros Bridge.
You should took a picture, baby, in here.
Okay, thank you. Let's take a
No,
picture.
your phone. I don't like that.
Oh, with my iPhone? Okay, hold on. Let's switch. So we took some pictures with the regular phone. But it's really nice actually here. You know, anywhere is nice, right? Big cities, they're really nice. I personally love the architecture. I draw comics as a hobby. My own creations, of course, my own supreme humans. But so I like architecture. I like big cities, big buildings, different designs, everything like that. And my boy. Oh, that's right, airplane. It's going somewhere. It's probably going to Thailand. Yeah, beautiful place, yeah. Beautiful. Anywhere is beautiful. Anywhere. I like everything. I like the concrete jungles, you know, for the reasons I just mentioned earlier. Definitely the jungles up in the mountains, anywhere, you know, coastal regions. So now we're just walking. We have to kill some time before we head back to the head office and pick up our visa extensions and our renewed ACR cards. And I'm not sure if I will do the 6-month extension. I don't know, maybe, because she said, well, yeah, it's up to the commission to approve or disapprove. And if visas get disapproved, the 6-month visa extension, you will not get your money back. It's not refundable. Oh, anytime you pay for a visa, it's not refundable. Anyway, Leo, wait, Baba, Leo, wait.
Leo?
Wait, baby, wait.
What is that?
Leo. Like that. That building right there. Nice. Well, let's head back this way because if it rains, we don't have rain gear.
Airplane again.
Another one?
Yeah. Look.
And I don't want to get wet too much. Oh, it's leaving again. Another one, see? Yeah. So I'm still trying to get used to this action camera. It's not a GoPro. I'm not that rich. But it's an action camera, and I have a selfie stick. It is pretty convenient because you can move it, rotate it 180 degrees. front and back, so not too bad. So once we, yeah, be careful. Once we pick up the documents, we can take a grab. Maybe head back to the hotel, or no, we'll go straight to BGC, Bonifacio Global City. It's in Makati. What? Look at it. Take a dive and shoot.
Ah, baby.
Yeah, so Makati?
But you know that Makati in Tagalog is like itchy.
Itchy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Makati. See,
Makati.
watch your step, Leo.
Be careful, yeah. Be careful.
Roll around and then it's gonna be like a fluffy guy.
Yeah, fluffy guy.
Like somebody.
What? Are you calling me fluffy? Well, fluffy's not bad. I am fluffy.
No talking out loud.
Okay, not talking aloud?
No. 3, 4, 5. No.
The little man's the boss. Well, at least he thinks he is, but maybe he is.
1, 2, 3.
Because I do everything for him.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, we'll head out. Go back to the head office.
Oh my god!
What?
I saw a fish!
Oh, the little tiny ones. Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there's a big one right there, yeah. But I'm not sure if they're gonna be.
They're in a very dirty.
Yeah, it's starting to rain now.
Tilapia, yan.
Yeah.
The very stinky fish.
Okay. So I live with that. You know, pain is. I believe in the old adage of no pain, no gain. I said right now, just walking around, my lower back is constantly, you know, my feet, my right foot, my left foot, my elbows, my neck. Every time I turn like that, see like that, that's it. You know, so no, pain is part of life. You know, you have to have a strong mind. Okay. I don't believe in doctors. I don't believe in medicine, although I do believe in ibuprofen though, because at least three times a week, sometimes more, I have to take. And let's walk over to the head office, Bureau of Immigration. All right, just walked out of the Bureau of Immigration head office and got the visa extensions and our new ACR cards. So now we're gonna head out, get a grab, and probably go to we'll probably go to the BGC, Bonifacio Global City, and spend most of the day there today, I guess. So, and of course Miss May, my girlfriend, my young lady girlfriend, we're gonna, and us, because me and Leah, of course, together, all three of us, we'll go see her mom, who's in the Metro Manila area, probably sometime later today, if not tomorrow. But so that's it. All right. All right, let me see your Sprunky toys. Pick them up, all up. Put them here on the table. The little tiny table. All right, so look, before we walk out. Oh, the other one, the red and blue one. Okay, so we have, let's say, so we have, oh, we have no legs. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 little thingies, right? Sprunkies. If we add 4 more, 3, 4, how many is that?
Okay.
Yeah, so
Look at
you know,
this
4
huge
plus 4 is 8,
city.
right? But look,
Like, oh my god. Oh.
you know, 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 8. How about 7 plus 1?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Still 8, right?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Okay, so why don't we do this? And do not go in the puddles of water, okay? Because you're gonna get your feet wet again.
Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
You
Yeah.
said it's go, but where are
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Alrighty, so we're about to leave, go eat something. We're gonna walk. No Grab, no vehicles, no anything because someone gets motion sickness. So, yep. Alright, let's go and walk out. Go eat something, find a good burger place.
Because
Some love burgers. Who doesn't love burgers and french fries? Come on. I got a little. Well, let's go.
Daddy?
I don't want to wear my
Goodbye.
Right, Baba.
What's the password, baby?
I don't know, 72, 50. I gotta put on my shoes. Okay. Leo, wait. Gotta take this out to the trash because it's got Leo's dirty diaper. There's supposed to be a trash dumpster here somewhere. I don't see. Leo, wait! Leo, wait! I have to make sure he understands. Because he sometimes just takes off and it's my little monkey. Is there a... Oh, right here. Garbage room. There it is. Okay. Okay.
Leo is so
Fresh.
busy, like, keeps running.
I know, he's... That's okay.
It is stop all of it.
I know. Now, once you press 1, they will come down. Get lit. Except this one's not working. The light's not working. But yeah.
High zone service. Service. Right here.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Oh
Careful.
my God, Leo.
Careful.
Listen,
There
Dad.
you are.
He
Press
almost...
G, Leo. Oh, it's already pressed. Come.
Leo.
44th floor.
So why do we need a ladder? Because we don't, but workers do.
We bring in a lot of people. We bring in a lot of
Big boy.
people.
Oh my
Okay,
God,
let's go.
Leo.
Oh no, sorry, that's true.
Yay! Ground floor.
Well, okay, now we go. Okay, let's go.
Let's go, Leo.
Let's go. Go. Leo. Look at this little monkey. Look at that little monkey.
Oh my God.
Crazy little monkey. Okay, it's not Leo. Leo. Just leave him right there. Leo, it's okay. Leave him there.
Stay here.
Leave him there. Okay? He's acting crazy? That's okay. No problem. Let's go. the right spot. Casa Mia. Steakhouse, restaurante italiano, burgers. I'm looking for a burger, which is...
They have pizza also.
We got pizza too for Leo. There we go. I'd say that. Let's go inside then, yeah. Restaurante. I have to go around. There we go. Nice. Grape. They're not real, my love. They're not real grapes. Oh wow, nice. Casa Mia, Casa Mia, Casa Mia. This is Supermercato. So how is this restaurant? How is the food here? It's good.
Yeah, Italian.
Does it taste good? Good burgers?
I
Because I love burgers, so all right. All right, so we took our order and we got a pepperoni pizza for Leo, burger with bacon. I love bacon for me, and buffalo chicken wings with rice for the most beautiful lady.
No, but I remember when we bought buffalo wings. Where did we get that? Back in Lacaon.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, in Lackawanna we had buffalo wings, and they weren't that good.
Really gross. Like
I know they were really. Yes, that's right. They were rotten chicken, and I told them too. Yeah, but they're reimbursed me for that, so that was good. No, yeah, the decor here, everything is beautiful. The design, yeah, everything is just. It says I'm Italian. Let's look at the bottles of wine. Look at that. The grapes, yeah, that's Italian. Right, so, and then we have a little Italian monkey right here.
it doesn't behave like, oh my goodness, like a monkey.
Mm-hmm. He's like a spider monkey. Yeah, he's a ding, 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 ding. He's got too much energy.
It's like
He only behaves. He's only static and put in one place when he's playing his iPad games. No iPad. He's like a monkey. Ding, 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 ding. Up and down. Yeah. Say what? There's our tea. Italiano. Molto buono. Molto buono.
What's molto buono?
Very good. I think so. Leo's apple juice, but it's got ice in it, so I have to remove it. I forgot to tell him no ice.
This monkey is gonna get sick if he will.
It may or may not get sick, but it's better to prevent that. Oh wow, real apple juice. No, good. Good.
Yeah.
Delicious, huh? It's really good.
They put something like a grass.
Olive oil with some kind of I forget the hold on, let me Google it. No leaf? That's okay, I'll eat the leaf. Say salamat, thank you. There we go. Wow, that looks tasty. Pepperoni and cheese. La 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 la.
Why did you put leaf on it?
Alright, my love. Let's get you.
Why did you put a leaf in there?
Because, baby, you're not gonna eat it. It's just a dressing, my love. Okay, just for decoration. You see?
Daddy?
Is this for eating or no?
Daddy?
No.
No, you can eat the leaf. It's okay.
Here's the buffalo wings.
One more.
Here's Daddy's burger.
Oh.
Probably very happy because he always craving.
I love burgers. Gourmet burgers.
Yeah.
Not the McDonald's and fast food joints, huh? Gourmet burgers to me are just, French fries.
Yeah.
Fries.
Now our bellies are full. Daddy still eating. What is that? What is that called? I forgot.
So now I'm nice and happy, nice and fat. I mean, fluffy. I like to eat burgers. That was a good burger. I ate everything. The chicken wings, buffalo wings.
Yeah, this is
Some really, really, really,
the best chicken that I ever had.
yeah, really good. Yes, moist, tender, juicy, excellent.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and we.
It's fluffy in here.
Yeah, we went to Lakawan back in April, right? May?
Yeah, I think.
And
No, back in May.
back in May, yeah. Back in May, yeah. And Lakawan is a little mini Boracay. Yeah, no, look. White, sandy beaches, all around. It's a very tiny, very island. Very, it's probably, you can walk it all the way around from one end to the other and back in about 30, 45 minutes, So it's not that big, but it's beautiful. But I had the buffalo wings there the first evening we got there, and I was hungry. And so I just devoured the first wing, but I tasted, I don't even taste it. I just didn't even chew it, so I was that hungry. But then there was some kind of aftertaste in my mouth, and then I took another wing and I smelled it. And it was, wasn't it? Yeah. She can tell you.
I just imagine the smell.
Yeah, and it was, I just could not. So I went downstairs to the manager. I said, listen, this is to the reception. And I said, this is rotten chicken. Who cooked it? It's they probably left it out all day or something, and it got rotten, it got spoiled, and they cooked it like that, and they tried to camouflage the rotten smell, the taste, with all the seasoning and whatever else they added on the hot wings, or the buffalo wings. But no, I almost threw up, and for me to be at that stage where I have to vomit with food, it's got to be really bad, and because I'm used to eating any food all over the planet,
Is very clean.
So, but anyway, they were kind enough to reimburse me, I guess, or give me credit for whatever it was they cost, that dinner, that buffalo wings dinner. But yeah, if you go there, be careful, okay? Lakawan Island, it's a beautiful resort, beautiful. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We got videos, but I'll do a past go exploring video on it, but yeah.
It's not very good.
The service wasn't actually that good either. It's a resort, okay, so they get a lot of people there, locals from all over the Philippines, and of course foreigners, because it is a mini Boracay. It's beautiful. I haven't been to Boracay yet, but from what the videos that I've seen here on YouTube, yeah, very, very nice. Okay, so Lakawan, just be careful. Okay, but again, very nice. Yeah, I even told them, I'm a very direct person. I said, whoever manages this island, this resort, needs to get their act together, because the service is not as it should be. The food was not as it should be. So if you're gonna pay premium prices for the rooms, for the food, for the drinks, everything, then it better be good, so all right.
Leo,
Come here.
alcohol. What's that called? Your phone?
I have a phone here. Careful, love, careful. I take video without, take video with this.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, Blabby. Daddy.
Careful, Leo. Do not run, Leo. Wait.
Where are we going? I don't like the smell. The building is really tall. Like, whoa.
Let's ride.